Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to change the video duration while generating on OpenAI Sora. So if you want to extend the video while generating from OpenAI Sora but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the OpenAI Sora app on the device. So if you have not installed, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on the device. So after that, you just need to open the Sora app, and as you can see, this is the home page of Sora where you see this option on the bottom taskbar. So if you click on the option plus icon at the very center, it will take you to the page from where you can generate or create the video. So at the very top, you will see the option of create video, and under that you will see the option of Sora. So click on it, and here you will see the option of duration. So click on the option of 15 seconds or 10 seconds like this, and it uses one video gen or two video gen per second. And from here you just need to enter the prompt which you want to generate and click on the option of plus arrow like icon at the very right, and here it will help you to generate the video. And as you can see, the video is being generated, and you will be able to see it from the draft section from the profile. So that's it. That's how you can change the video duration on OpenAI by Sora. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video.